it's time to start putting the KiwiGrip in. So this is what we got. You can go with 1 liter, or I think it's 1 gallon. 1 liter is supposed to be able to cover 20 square feet. Looking at it, I think it's going to be close, but if I need more, I'll get more. So this is what comes in the box. You got a real loose cell roller to give the real high peach for the non-skid. This is your bag of the stuff. I got ordered the gray, and then your instruction manual. While waiting on the other stuff to kick, I read through that, and it may actually be a blessing in disguise it took so long for all the blue spackles to cure, because now that the sun's gone down, it's cooler out. According to what they say in here, it should give me a little more working time. So I'm going to start with the rear seat up here first. Get that taped off. So you run your tape and you sand it with a real coarse grit. They say 50 grit. I've only got 60, so we'll sand that down, give it a rough surface, and then we'll throw some KiwiGrip down and see what it does. I'm gonna tape everything so I can just, once I get this done, I can just work on through all the way up to the front. Alright, so get this taped off. I'm not going to go with a square edge, I'm going to go with a round edge. I'm actually going to use a can for my radii. But, so you need a razor blade to cut your tape, and then whatever tape you decide to use. KiwiGrip preparation is key. I'll explain everything to you in the closing, but check this out. There's glare there. I am impressed and happy with how everything came out. So, let's put her back together. What's a refresh without fresh hardware, huh? there she is, polished up, ready to hit the water. I learned a lot in this process. First and foremost, I learned that it's not that difficult a job. If you're intimidated by doing gel coat or glass work, don't be. Go for it. I can pull it off, so can you. The best part about fiberglass and gel coat work is if you screw up, you can sand it off. One of the key things with this build that kept coming into play over and over again is preparation. Prepare your surfaces, sand them down, wipe them down with acetone, tape off the areas you don't want to get anything on. I messed up with the tape one time with the gel coat. I needed to take the tape off when it was still wet. I let it sit and it hardened, and it was a pain in the butt to get off. I actually had to sand some areas down, chip some areas out. The KiwiGrip, super easy, love the result. It tells you the instructions. Once you get it rolled on, take the tape up. They suggest you use like a trowel to spread it out. I didn't. I put big gloplets around and used hard pressure with the roller, and it seemed to spread it out fairly evenly. So hit me up if you got any questions about it. Let me know what you think of the redone Gheenoe, and make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. So I'm going fishing in a couple of days. There'll be some great footage of that. If you missed part 1, go back and check it out. That's where all the glass work and sanding, all the grunt work was done. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.